In today's video, I will show you how to change the image quality on the Sony A1. Firstly, click on the menu button in the top left corner and then go down to Image Quality Settings. This will then bring you into a subfolder where you look at the file format, RAW file type, JPEG quality and JPEG image size. To select this, click the center button in the middle of the dial. You will then be given three options, including RAW, RAW and JPEG, and JPEG. This will give you the highest quality images with the largest dynamic range. Then below it you can select RAW and JPEG. So this takes up even more space because it's recording two separate file types. However, you can then use either the RAW or the JPEG when you're sending or editing them afterwards. And at the bottom we have JPEGs. JPEG files are compressed, meaning there is less image data with lower quality. We will now go back into the submenu by pressing the menu button in the top left corner. We will now go into the RAW file type by pressing the bottom of the dial and then selecting it with the center button. If we select the bottom option, the images will be highly compressed, and then as we move up the list they'll be less and less compressed until you reach uncompressed. This will give you the best quality images with the largest amount of color data. Now we will go back to the previous menu and select JPEG quality, where you'll see extra fine JPEG quality at the top and then light at the bottom, which is the lowest quality. And finally we have JPEG image size. You are given three options: 50 megapixels, 21 megapixels and 12 megapixels. Setting it to 50 megapixels will give you the highest quality JPEGs, then down to 21 and then down to 12. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.